If you're looking for a way to decorate your walls, look no further. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. Wrapped in plastic, this is how you hang it from here. And it also comes with these little buttons. So this is the first print. This is the second. And number 3. This is a set of 3 canvas prints, each measuring 12 by 16 inches. The artwork features abstract geometric designs suitable for various spaces like bathrooms, nurseries, offices, bedrooms, living rooms, and dorms. These prints serve as a creative interior wall decor and can also make unique gifts. They add a special touch to any space and are particularly suitable for modern, minimalist, or mid-century theme rooms.